opening of Green Kitchen dito po sa SM City Clark. I have visited po when they were inside the mall. Now, nasa labas na po siya. Nasa first level na po siya ng Skyline SM City Clark. We're gonna witness yung ribbon cutting, grand opening, and of course, titikman natin yung mga pagkain nila. So right now, they're doing the usual photo shoot, and then later on, titikman na natin. Chacha, the business owner, brother.
So dito sa Green Kitchen, they serve 4S and a P. Meron tayong starter, soup, salad, sandwiches, and syempre yung P, pasta. On our table, meron tayong mga salad. Big mussel ba to?
Yes.
Big mussel. Next thing to do natin, tikman na natin sila.
Go ahead, go, 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 go.
So this is their pork.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Pork, chicken, beef. That's why pork, chicken.
And pinagmamalaki nila, hindi sila gumagamit ng oil. Kusang naluluto yung mga meats dito sa kanilang stone. Another dish came in, ito yung kanilang baby back ribs. Ang kagandahan dito, they serve it in a Hot ISHIYAKI Stone plate. So, one of their trademark dito sa Green Kitchen, yung pagsaserve nila sa hot stone. Diretso na. One liter of buko smoothie available dito sa Green Kitchen. This is a char-grilled cube steak. Ooh. Dito sa Green Kitchen, they always serve the food hot.
Congratulations, Green Kitchen, for coming up with your new location.
Yes.
Guys, this is gonna be more accessible. Para sa akin, mas Instagram worthy yung yung relocation
Mas
niya.
pinaganda, mas pinalaki. At the same time, mas pinalawak yung lugar kung saan sila matatagpuan. So, if you want to go here, they are located dito sa my Skyline, first
level.
level. And they're open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday. That's it. Thank you for watching Worry Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out.
Bye guys. Stop it, mom.